Hello, hello, hello! Good morning at magandang buhay! Sharing lang! Araw-araw, milyong-milyong tao ang gumigising ng maaga. Nagsisikap, nagtatrabaho, umaasa na balang araw mas gagaan ang kanilang buhay. Ngunit, isang tanong ang madalas nating nakakalimutang itanong sa ating sarili. May iba pa kayang paraan para makamit ang mas magandang bukas para sa magandang pagkakakitaan? Papaano kung magkakaroon ka ng opportunity pero hindi ito tungkol sa paghahanap ng panibagong trabaho, kundi tungkol sa pagbuo ng sarili mong negosyo. Isang negosyong nakabatay sa mga produkto at sa pag-aaral kung paano ito may babahagi sa mas maraming tao. Ayon sa pag-aaral ng mga dalubhasa, isa sa mga pinakamainam na negosyo ngayon ay related dapat sa kalusugan dahil iba-iba na ang mga sakit na lumilitaw ngayon. Nagiging mahina ang immune system ng mga nakararami dahil sa kakulangan ng nutrisyon. Halos may mga chemicals at preservatives na kasi ang mga pagkain. Nawawala na o nababawasan na ang mga sustansya ng mga ito. Why we can no longer maximize the nutrients needed by our body. Kaya naman, napaka-in-demand ngayon ng mga health supplements para yung kakulangan ng nutrisyon ay kayang isupply ng mga ito para maging malakas ang ating katawan na may kakayanan nitong makaiwas sa mga nakamamatay na sakit ngayon. Remember, ang bawat matagumpay na negosyante ay nagsimula sa iisang desisyon lamang. Ang i-welcome sa buhay nila ang isang opportunity. Who knows, this might be the start of your new chapter and journey for a much brighter future. Ready ka na ba? So, welcome to our business video presentation. This is the Dinofarm, the power of one, the power of all. Dito, ikaw ang bida. Be part of something bigger. A company with purpose, an opportunity with impact, 45 years on operation globally, and 23 years in the Philippines. No hyping, walang baliwan, no monthly subscription, free registration na kahit piso, walang bayad. Premium products with its own manufacturing and laboratory. Dinofarm Philippines is a part of Dinofarm Group of Companies, started in Malaysia on 1981 and June 2003 in the Philippines. The Dinofarm is headed by Oy Ho Choi as the chairman of Dinofarm International, and Mr. Carlo Mayuga is the president and CEO of Dinofarm Philippines. This is a world-class standards, worldwide trust, with ISO certified, GMP certified, FDA compliant, USDA standards, and more. Sila naman po yung mga napakabait at very approachable nating mga kasamahan sa head office. Sina Sir Leo in charge sa sales, si Sir Edsel in charge sa system, at si Sir na in charge sa encoding. Feel at home ka sa head office when you meet these very nice people. Bakit nakakapag-produce ng abot-kayang presyo at dekalidad ng mga produkto ang Dinofarm? Dahil hindi ito nagpapatanim o umaangkat sa iba. May sarili kasi siyang plantation na may 5 major factories. From raw materials up to finished products ay nasa iisang company lang. Kung bakit nakatanggap ng multiple awards sa Pilipinas and across the Asia-Pacific region ang Dinofarm International. So, this company delivers a balanced body system with its dynamic and amazing products. Naniniwala ka ba that starting your day with a hot cup of coffee will add a beautiful spark of your day? Yan ang isa sa mga products ni Dinofarm kung bakit tinangkilik siya for 45 years hanggang ngayon. Hindi lang siya basta kape, but it's a powerful coffee to all. We have instant coffee with ginkgo and ginseng powder. Ito ay nagbibigay ng energy habang tumutulong sa focus, memory at overall wellness. Isang masarap na paraan para simulan ang iyong araw ng masigla at productive. Ang SRP ay nasa 600 pesos lamang with 20 sachets. Meron ding instant coffee with Ganoderma Collagen and Cassie Fatima Powder. Ang Ganoderma ay kilala sa pagsuporta sa overall wellness. Ang collagen ay tumutulong para mapanatiling healthy at glowing ang skin. Habang ang Cassie Fatima ay isang halamang tradisyonal na ginagamit ng maraming kababaihan para sa kanilang pangkalahatang kalusugan. Kaya, habang nagkakape ka, hindi lang energy ang nakukuha mo, kundi dagdag alaga rin sa iyong katawan. We have also instant coffee with Ganoderma powder and green tea extract. Kilala ang green tea extract na may natural antioxidants na tumutulong na protektahan ang ating katawan laban sa free radicals at nakakatulong din ito sa pagpapabilis ng metabolismo, pagpapanatili ng malusog na puso at pagsuporta sa ating mga cells. May instant coffee mixture din with Tongkat Ali and Maca powder. Ang Tongkat Ali at Maca ay mga halamang tradisyonal na kilala sa pagsuporta sa stamina, sigla at overall wellness. Kaya, habang nagkakape ka, nadadagdagan din ang iyong lakas at vitality para harapin ang araw-araw na gawain. Meron din tayong instant cappuccino coffee with Ganoderma powder. Meron ding Ganoderma and Tongkat Ali Black Coffee. May red coffee with ginseng at instant coffee mixture with Tongkat Ali. May mga ibang mixture of coffee pa ang Dynafarm. So, we have also Dynafarm cleansing and detoxifying products. We have here our instant chocolate mixture with Ganoderma powder. The Ling Z farm in Malaysia provides a better quality of Gano, keeping its three important compounds intact, which are polysaccharides, germanium, at triterpenoids. Ito ay masarap at creamy na inumin para sa buong pamilya. Bukod sa masarap na lasa nito, may pansuporta ka pa sa overall wellness at mapapanatiling malusog at masigla ang katawan. Another product is Liquid Alfalfa plus Guarana. Ang alfalfa ay kilala bilang ama ng lahat ng halaman dahil mayaman ito sa iba't ibang nutrients at chlorophyll, habang ang guarana naman ay tumutulong upang manatiling masigla at energized ka. May instant wheatgrass with chlorophyll granules product. Hindi lang ito ordinaryong health drink. This is a nature colon cleanser with 70% of chlorophyll, one of the richest natural source of vitamin A, complete complex, B17, C, E, K, and more. Ang Dynafarm Ganoderma capsule ay gawa naman mula sa Ganoderma na kilala rin bilang mushroom of immortality dahil matagal na itong ginagamit bilang natural na suporta sa kalusugan. It is a source of biologically active polysaccharides for improved immune and detoxification. Ang Dynafarm Ghee Garlic ay pinagsamang benepisyo ng bawat bawang at iba pang natural ingredients sa iisang kapsula. Ang bawang ay matagal nang kilala bilang natural na suporta sa pagpapanatili ng magandang kalusugan. The next products are Dynafarm Nutritional Supplements. Ang goat's milk tablet ay isang masarap at madaling paraan upang makuha ang benepisyo ng gatas ng kambing. Ang goat's milk ay kilala na mas madaling matunaw sa katawan kumpara sa ordinaryong gatas at mayaman din sa mga mahahalagang nutrients na sumusuporta sa overall wellness and for your daily nutrition. We have also goat's milk powder premix. We have Dynafarm Spirulina. It is a natural superfood with the highest content of protein. It is rich in nutritional elements and easily digested. It is considered the supplement of choice for strengthening of body and energy. Ang Dynafarm Pro LSB tablet ay may taglay na mabubuting bakterya o probiotics na tumutulong sa pagpapanatili ng magandang kalusugan ng ating tiyan at digestive system. Mayroon ding immune system booster at anti-aging ang Dynafarm. We have our Dyna Herbal Tonic, extracted from 15 types of herbal medicine to replenish energy and enrich blood. It gives you also a healthy look and energetic body. It helps prevent intestinal diseases. There is also a Yi Yang Yen grapeseed extract. Ito ay mayaman din sa antioxidants na tumutulong na protektahan ang ating mga cells laban sa mga free radicals. This is known also for healthy looking skin. A Of course, the Dynapharm Vitamin C that boosts immunity, strengthens the body, healthy skin, supports blood health, and powerful antioxidant. Meron din tayong mga mental, physical, and sexual health products. We have Denali Capsule, a combination of Tongkat Ali and Ginkgo biloba. May Ginkgo Tablet, Sea Cucumber Jelly, at Dynapharm Feminine Wash. Bago tayo magpatuloy, nais ko lamang linawin na ang lahat ng mga produktong nabanggit ay mga food supplements at hindi gamot. Hindi sila dinisenyo upang mag-diagnose, magpagaling o makagamot ng anumang sakit. Ngunit, gaya nga ng sinabi ni Hippocrates na kinikilalang ama ng medisina, let food be thy medicine and medicine be thy food. Ano ang ibig sabihin nito? Napakahalaga ng wastong nutrisyon sa pagpapanatili ng ating kalusugan. Kapag nabibigyan natin ng sapat na nutrisyon ang ating katawan, mas nasusuportahan natin ang ating overall wellness at mas mapapanatili natin ang ating kalusugan. Sa loob ng 23 years ng Dynapharm sa Pilipinas, napakarami din naman ang mga natulungan ng kanyang mga produkto. Tulad ni Mrs. Virginia David from Arayat, Pampanga na na-diagnose ng acute myelogenous leukemia AMI at nagdulot ito ng maraming komplikasyon sa mga ibang organs niya, and later on, nagkaroon pa siya ng pulmonary tuberculosis. Series of blood transfusions were done, pati mga gamot nire-reject ng katawan niya. And the only option left then was a chemotherapy. According from her, nag-surrender na siya at ayaw na niyang magpakemo. At ang sabi ay, bahala na si God. But on January 2004, may nag-advise sa kanya na itry ang Dynapharm Vitamin C, Spirulina, and goat's milk. Aba, laking gulat niya. Na-absorb ng katawan niya ang mga ito. After a few days, sinabayan pa niya ng Dynapharm Dynatonic Chlorophyll and Yi Yang Yen. Amazingly, after a few weeks, bigla siyang lumakas. Nanumbalik ang kanyang sigla, and very thankful sila magpapamilya sa pagdating ng Dynapharm sa buhay nila. Wala ng chemotherapy ang nangyari at hindi na rin nag-take ng mga gamot. And according from her on 2006, 2 years ago, I was dying, but today I am healthy and 6 months pregnant. Another is Marilu Buan Rivera from Tarlac. She was diagnosed a breast cancer stage 1, and the only option left was to undergo a mastectomy. May na-meet siyang Dynapharm distributor. In-advise siya na mag-take ng Dynapharm products for at least 2 months bago ang operation. According from her, my left breast was removed. After a week, another biopsy was conducted and the result was negative. In spite of the negative result, my doctor insisted that I should undergo chemotherapy. But I did not go for it because I did not believe in chemotherapy. I am still Dynapharm lover and my body is really responding positively to it. I feel energized and healthy. I thank God who heals my sick body and the Dynapharm. I am now a different person. Another is Celestina Chan from Vegan, Ilocos Norte. According from her, many of my friends say that I am a walking medicine woman because I always bring with me my hypertensive maintenance and medicine for my kidney problem, which I have taken a lot of food supplements just to cure my health dysfunction. But none of these supplements changed my condition, not until Dynapharm was introduced to me. I started taking Dynapharm products for detoxifying and cleansing like chlorophyll, Ganoderma coffee, and capsule. The total health pack, Dynatonic, made me more alert and stronger, especially at work. And now, I do not carry my medicine bags anymore. Another is Lindon Opulencia of Calamba, Laguna. According from him, my right toes were amputated due to gangrene. I feel so depressed and down because of my condition worsened. I could not even make a step or press my feet on the floor. I felt so weak and helpless. Sa bahay lang ako buong maghapon ng 2 taon. Then, I was introduced to chlorophyll with guarana. After a week, I was able to press my feet on the ground. I started drinking Tongkat Ali coffee, Ginkgo tablets, and other Dynapharm products. Now, I can walk and go everywhere to share the Dynapharm story. Another is Dioba Jamison of Caloocan City, suffering from arthritis with high cholesterol, high blood sugar, and uric acid. Suki siya ng hospital. But he met a Dynafarm distributor who shared to him the benefits of chlorophyll with guarana, Yigano capsule, Yiginkgo, Yiyangyen, and Dynasty. According from him, he completely stopped his maintenance tablets and he is now an active leader of Dynafarm. Another is Edwin De Ocampo from Pandacan, Manila. Suffered allergies and rashes all over his body, hands, feet, legs, knees, even the tip of his toes. Pero nung nasubukan niya mag-cleanse with chlorophyll, with guarana, nagsimula siyang pawisan ng gusto, pati yung bowel movement niya naging regular at sinundan niya ito ng coffee with Tongkat Ali with ginseng, Ganoderma Choco, Yiginkgo at Yiyangyen tablets. And now, hindi na siya tinatawag na Askal Skin dahil naging normal ang lahat. And he is now a distributor of Dynafarm. We have also Dynafarm Cosmetics and Personal Care. We have goat milk soap, tea tree oil, and toothpaste. Ang ating layunin ay hindi lamang maghintay kundi mas pagtuunan ng pansin ang pag-aalaga sa ating katawan araw-araw sa pamamagitan ng tamang pagkain, regular exercise, sapat na pahinga at nutritional supplementation. Dahil ang kalusugan ay hindi gastos. Ito ay isang mahalagang investment para sa ating sarili at sa ating pamilya. We have also Dynafarm Organic Foliar Fertilizer, the growth booster para sa mga halaman naman. We have the Power Grow Green na napaka-competitive ng mga prices nila. And there is also Power Grow Red. Napakarami na din sa mga farmers halos sa buong Pilipinas na nagpapasalamat sa pagdating ng Dynafarm sa kanila. Because of this organic foliar fertilizer, naging maganda at profitable ang kanilang mga ani. Kung ganyan kaganda ang mga produkto na abot kaya na, dekalidad pa, hindi ka mahihiyang i-share ang mga ito dahil alam mo makakatulong ka talaga sa iyong kapwa para sa kanyang kalusugan at ang napakagandang business platform meron ang Dynafarm. Now, how to become a distributor of Dynafarm International to enjoy discounts and its amazing business platform? Simple lang. Mag-fill up ka lang ng application form at ito ay libre at walang bayad kahit na piso. After mong mag-fill up, na-register, magkakaroon ka ng ID number at maari ka nang magsimula. But to become a member of our Team Dinosaur, we only request you to purchase products for at least minimum of 1,000 pesos only. Yun ay kung okay lang sa'yo. Just to experience and be able to share these products with your loved ones and friends. Definitely, this will do our business with Dynafarm more credible and realistic. Yun bang ikaw ang magiging produkto ng business mo dahil na-try mo mismo at alam mo siyang ikwento. For example, 1 box of coffee with Tongkat Ali and Maca worth 550 pesos and 1 bottle of Yiyangyen worth 485 pesos for a total of 1,035 pesos only. May mga Dynafarm products ka na, may katim ka pa na aalalay sa'yo para sa business na ito. Let me share to you now our dynamic Dynafarm compensation plan na kung saan iilang ways na lang muna ang i-discuss ko. Actually, you can earn 7 exciting and profitable ways sa Dynafarm. Pag-usapan muna natin ang retail profit which is up to 30% sa lahat ng mga products meron sa Dynafarm. Halimbawa, na-share mo ang coffee with Tongkat Ali and Maca at SRP worth 550 pesos, magkakaroon ka ng retail profit na 100 pesos. Kung 10 boxes yan, may 1,000 pesos ka. What if nakita nila ang mga post mo sa social media at marami ang nagka-interes? Ibig sabihin, kahit online, pwede nating gawin ang ating business na kahit nasa bahay ka, pwede ka magkaroon ng income. Ang Dynafarm ay may warehouse sa Pilipinas and it has different branches all over the Philippines. May mga centers at stocks din sa mga ibang lugar, kaya madali na lang ipaship ang mga products. Paano ba mag-post at gumawa ng mga captions para makapagpa-capture ng mga clients? Yan ang isa sa mga ituturo ng Team Dinosaur. Second way to earn ay yung tinatawag nilang fast track bonus. On this way, you must have at least 500 BV or business value as your monthly usage of Dynapharm products to stay healthy and enjoy up to 68% rebates from first level to 11th level of your organization. Ibig sabihin, sa pag-purchase mo ng mga products at distributor's price, maaari kang kumita sa mga napajoin mong distributors, direct man or indirect up to 11th level. These are sample products with business value. Coffee ay 120 BV, chlorophyll ay 300 BV, spirulina at 1000 BV, Yigano 300 BV at marami pang iba. Ito yung sample scenario na napaka-posible at napaka-realistic mangyari sa atin. For example, this is you na may income ka pa na 10% which is 50 pesos sa product maintenance mo mismo na 500 BV. Maaring ikaw ang gumamit for your health or may nag-order sa'yo ng mga products. Halimbawa, may na-invite kang 5 sa mga kaibigan mo o mga gusto mong matulungan maging healthy ang katawan at ang bulsa nila na nag-attend sa ating Zoom presentation or nag-send ka ng video sa kanila para mapanood ito or nakita nilang nag-lose ka ng weight as in gumanda ka lalo, nag-glow yung skin mo, bumata ka at naging healthy dahil sa mga Dynapharm products. Siyempre, mag-join sila at kapag nagkaroon sila ng 500 BV, may 200 pesos ka as your income for your first level. What if naging maganda din ang resulta ng mga products sa kanila at ginaya ka rin nila na i-share yung program sa mga 5 nilang kaibigan? Aba, may 1,000 pesos ka sa second level mo. Ganon din ang nangyari na kapag share din sila ng mga 5 friends nila, magkakaroon ka ng income sa third level mo na 5,000 pesos. Same din ang nangyari sa fourth level, may income ka na 25,000 pesos, then fifth level, 125,000 pesos hanggang umabot ka sa 8th level na may 3 million pesos na. And the total payout up to 8th level only is 6,484,375 pesos. Take note, up to 11th level pa yan. Ang ipinakita ko lang ay up to 8th level para mas madali mo siyang makuha. Kaibigan, umabot ng 45 years globally ang Dynapharm at 23 years sa Pilipinas nang hindi ganun kaingay sa industriya na power dito, power doon, presentation dito, presentation doon. What they can guarantee to us are the amazing products na napakababa pa ng price. Assuming your best 5 was not achieved and there were only 2 friends or distributors under you who pursued the program, still, the total payout for the 2 distributors is 1,296,875 as in, dala-dalawa lang ang bumili ng mga products na nagsimula lamang sa 2 kaibigan o distributors na napa-join mo. And this may be your monthly potential income. Ang concept nito ay mag-change brand lang naman dahil hindi nagkakalayo ang mga prices sa mga dating ginagamit. Like toothpaste, palitan mo lang ang brand mo, gawin mo siyang Dynapharm Tea Tree Oil Toothpaste. Ang ordinary coffee mo every morning ay palitan lang ng healthy coffee like Ganoderma or Tongkat Ali. Then yung vitamins mo, palitan mo lang ng Yang Yen or Chlorophyll. Pasok ka na sa 500 business value or BV. Take note, ang potential income mo sa change of brand lang is nasa 6 to 7 digits per month ka. Nangyayari na yan at napakaposibleng mangyari din sa'yo. The next way to earn is the performance bonus na kapag umabot pa ng 1,000 BV ang monthly personal sales business value mo, may additional 6% ka pa from accumulated business value na 1,000 to 2,999 BV. Another 9% from 3,000 BV to 9,999 BV and so on and so forth. May managerial position levels tayo para mas tumataas pa ang mga percentage rebates mo. May leadership royalty bonus, may profit sharing din na 4% based on number of active manager legs, may car and house fund of 2%, may year-end diamond club bonus of 3% pa. I-discuss ko na lang ang mga details niyan soon. This is really exciting, guys. So, welcome to Team Dinosaur. Sa Team Dinosaur, hindi ka lamang sasali sa isang negosyo. Magiging bahagi ka ng isang pamilya na nagtutulungan, nagtuturo at sama-samang umaangat. May gabay sa bawat hakbang, may libreng training at mentoring, at may sistemang madaling sundan. Dito, hindi mo kailangan maging eksperto para magsimula. Ang kailangan mo lamang ay tiwala and willingness to learn. Ang tagumpay ay hindi nakakamit ng mag-isa. Sama-sama nating abutin ang mas magandang kalusugan, mas malaking kita at mas magandang kinabukasan. Team Dinosaur, together we rise higher. Maaari ninyong tanungin yung nag-share sa inyo ng video na ito or nag-invite sa inyo to check our Dinofarm International kung paano makapagsimula. If ever na nakita mo lang ito sa social media, you can scan my QR code para direct mo ako makausap at ma-guide kita. Or you can send me a message at 096279494446. That ends my presentation. Have a dynamic day with Team Dinosaur for a successful Dinofarm business. Thank you and God bless us all.